Hi, how's it going today? You enjoying yourself?
Yep, very good, very informative.
Brilliant. So can I ask your name, your company, your position, and whether you're in the design, build, manage or client-facing space?
Yep. So it's Ray Purvis, Atkins. I work in the design space.
Great. So are you using BIM to some degree in the work you're involved with at the moment?
Very much so. It depends on how we define BIM, but certainly we have a BIM strategy. A lot of our major projects are transitioning to BIM. We're seeing a lot more client requirements, and the EIR has been mentioned today. So a lot of what has been shown today is quite real, actually. So the talk about the EIR and the BEP is very real for us. So yeah.
Great stuff. So what have you needed to change in your IT systems to support your BIM journey so far?
Okay, in terms of IT, there's probably two areas really, and that's the software portfolio, type of tools that we use, and really the EDMS systems and the CDE. In fact, we don't want to really call it EDMS systems, we really just want to call it the CDE. How do we manage that? How do we set that up? What is that? What is the CDE, and how is that facilitated? So our IT teams are looking at that in quite a bit of detail. In terms of the technology, I think there is quite a wide range of technology. It's not just about Autodesk. We do a lot of work with Bentley. We've got a big rail section where obviously a lot of Bentley products there. And the nature of BIM means that, for us anyway, we think you do need that diverse portfolio of software products, yes.
Great stuff. So a lot of thought on the common data environment.
Very much so, yeah. Yep.
What have been the implications on your people to support BIM as well so far?
Okay, so we like the mantra at Atkins around BIM of people, process, technology. So the technology really is about the tools that we need to support those processes and the people. So we're doing quite a bit of work around training, and that's really taken a diagonal slice across the business to understand what BIM is, what it means to Atkins, and this is we're targeting project managers, graduate engineers, design team, anybody in the design team really. So it's about education about what the subject of BIM is, because we're very much around information management, and everybody across the team has a role to play in managing information.
Great stuff. How have you delivered, if you've delivered, your BIM execution plan?
We say if we've delivered. Okay, so we've developed a BEP template, which is based on the CPIX templates. So the CPIX templates come as a pre- and post-contract award BIM execution plan. We understand there's going to be a merging of those two templates, and we've done that. So in the absence of a client prescribing one, we have a template based on the CPIX documents. We're seeing more of that. There are some challenges around the EIR and the information that we're receiving. However, it's a step in the right direction, and I think it's a good position for the client to be in, to be able to start to define their employers' requirements, and it's up to the design teams to be able to respond.
Great. Last question. You talked about it a tiny bit earlier, and perhaps you could expand on it.
Yep.
So what systems or techniques do you employ to manage all of the data and documents that BIM generates? Because there's obviously a lot of information that goes around the pipe.
So again, we've developed our corporate standards for BIM, and actually we've had some interesting goes at what the title of those documents are, and really it's about managing information. So we're firmly behind the BS 1192 workflows. So this concept of work in progress, shared, published, archived information, and controlling the data and the release of information to enable effective collaboration is really where we're coming from. And I think there are some challenges around BS 1192 workflows, but in essence, for me and for Atkins, actually, it's the right direction. Yeah.
Great stuff. Thanks a lot, Ray. Enjoy the day.
Okay. Thank you very much. Yep.